recommend the exercises to do?
Yeah. No. You see, you like sort of wrote me out a whole load of different exercises. There's different things to do. But this one is
So what did they think of the music that you play?
Well, I gave him a videotape of us performing, and I gave him a tape of the album, and I think, well, he just said that I've been using my voice like a percussion instrument, which I have, and so he was just really trying to stop me from using it like a drum and start me using it like a voice. Don't they go on about singing from here instead of here?
What did he mean when he said a percussion instrument? About?
Well, sort of beating it to death.
Oh, yeah.
And sort of the way I like sing every note, I've been shouting it out and putting like a percussive edge on every single word I sing, just so that it gets across the bass and drums. And so it's like really trying to relearn everything. In Legs and in Snake, you know, the bit where it drops to just the vocal, I'd be going woo instead of like ah. Do it again tonight. Yes, yeah. Rob, this is Maria.
Right, so
Hello,
briefly there.
This is front of house Rob, or Throb.
Throb.
Okay.
Throbby with his new
Throb.
beard.
And this is
This is a
PJ
camera.
Harvey long form video.
PJ Harvey was fucking great. PJ Harvey, fucking great. PJ Harvey, fucking great. PJ Harvey. Aha! Oh, that's really good.
This is my favourite bit.
It's so crazy, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
This is why I go around the bend and just singing in toilets. I'm supposed to start my period in a bit now, and I keep thinking that I'm going to be playing and I won't be ready and I'm going to start going on my leg or something.
This is the transformation scene. Yeah, no, like that pulley.
I could play with it, or if I was having trouble, I don't have trouble with
Yeah.
that bit, in which case I
Oh, no, that looks really good. That looks excellent.
could like that.
Yeah.
Does this look alright?
It does, it does.
Feathers. A bit of fight, Maria, what's happening to me? Because I enjoy this bit more than the playing now.
I think I would as well.
It's like, I used to love dressing up. And it's just like dressing up. I better. I actually took the raw powder of us playing at
Good lord, it's Bastine Harvey.
Shut up. My breasts have grown recently. I've never used to have any. Yes, I'm not saying that.
I can't play a gig with you wearing that.
Why?
I won't be able to keep control of myself.
They're not that big, Rob. It's a little bit, isn't it?
Bruce,
the other way.
can you somehow find somewhere tying Rob to his drum store?
I gaffed him there this afternoon. That's it.
You did it?
It's not
Notice.
Gaffing me to my high
No videos while I haven't had a shave, thank you, sorry.
Shall we?
Let's do it. Rock and roll.
Why not? Any reason? Because you thought your things were...
No, it was just didn't like the vibe at all.
It was very,
Didn't mean to barge. There was this young man said that I barged and I didn't mean to. He was really snotty. What is he?
he's tour manager.
Tour manager. Above his station.
And I'm tour manager.
There's Phil. Phil's my father for 3 months. Here he is.
Like your ostrich.
Thank you. Thanks very much.
Hey,
Yeah,
do you know you were dead loud? You probably deafened fucking about 250 teenagers.
Good. Good. We're deaf already, so we're deaf.
Well, well done.
Thanks.
Not that we saw you, but we hope.
We did.
Who's the bass player?
Me.
Hey, fucking hell. Have you not fucking seen a fucking bass player? Anyway, listen, if you need a new bass player.
Okay. Cheers.
She won't play with the plectrum. You wouldn't want her. See, good night. Thanks a lot.
That's alright.
They're very cool, sort of. I didn't make much of an effort to bring them out of their coolness and to let them be cool, and I was cool as well.
Yeah, I just didn't enjoy it.
Oh,
The
the front row are like a lot of, you know, they were very warm, very friendly. I got a nice smile from somebody.
Quite a nice lady.
Yes.
I had a boy in front of me, he looked about 8 years old or something.
This girl must be no more than 17. There are a lot of young ones out there.
And there was a grey-haired, grey-bearded guy who looked about 50, he was like going crazy about halfway back. Can you see
Yeah, I
him?
saw him, yeah.
I can see a lot of sunglasses on. That's all.
There was a girl to the left, with a PJ Harvey t-shirt, one of the three of us, blonde haired.
Yeah, I saw her.
She was really going for it. She enjoyed it.
Didn't they do ecstasy, did they? Unseen.
No, they were a bit cool in that one. Shame really, because I really enjoyed that myself.
Yeah.
So,
Shows we've still got the indie audience, haven't we?
possibly.
I didn't mind it too much.
Oh, not really. Right, so very nice.
Snake. Oh, that's so funny. I just sort of went at the end. Sod it, you know, I can't play this, so I might as well just make noise. You know.